Welcome back to my chronicles in Sri Lanka. This is number 7, day 7. Those are the picture that I forgot to add earlier. So we got tea. We got the tea cake as well. It was very yummy. So after leaving the tea plantation, we went down back towards Kandy, it's called. And you see it's very cloudy, very beautiful, but cloudy. And the tour guide was telling us about this specific type of, there are people that want to sell you flowers. And basically, they just come down with you. They keep up with the bus through all the curves going down. So this man was flying. He was flying. He had literally flip-flops on, but he was able to keep up with us. So our friend Louise from Manchester, so she's British, decided to get flowers, a flower, and then some Polish people also got flowers. And it was funny because we were like making jokes saying, yes, Louise, you should give back to this country. However, so we are about to arrive in Kandy. Kandy, it's a very beautiful city, and we went straight up to the Tooth Relic Temple. Basically, they keep part of a tooth, and it's supposed to be from Buddha, and they protect it basically. So we, as a frenda, we give them flowers, and they were explaining to us like to distribute like a flower as well, like a shape of like a flower. And again, remember, do not give your back to the Buddha, so you can be just present your front or the side, never your back.
From the Kandian era of like Sri Lankan cakes. So this specific style.
The story says that the tooth came to Sri Lanka from hiding in the hair of, you saw the sculpture earlier, of the princess, I believe, Hemalmala. This happened before Christ, 310, I believe. The temple was created, but in the 1500s, late 1500s, after Christ. One more thing to remember in case you're visiting a temple, so you have to take off your shoes, and also no tiny skirts. Like the skirt has to be under your knee, lower than your knee, and no shoulders out. Your shoulders have to be covered. So after that, we just like we're walking around Kandy, looking for like gifts and stuff. Being tourists. I probably bought like one thing for my mother, but then the only shop I was interested in, it was Chocoland. Yes. You know me. I'm a sweet tooth. Yep. Chocolate Planet. Oh no, chocolate. Kind of. All right, time for the next hotel. We checked in the Amaya Hills in Kandy. The view, it's beautiful. Yes, the temperature was a little chillier than when we were closer to the beach. It was very enjoyable, though. This time we had another great view. They're gonna see it in a second. I'm such a good influencer. I'm such a good travel influencer. Oh my god. The views were amazing. Also on the window, there's a little like sign saying, don't leave the window open because a monkey can get in. I find it funny. That's our anthem. Then we had dinner. We grabbed a couple of drinks after, and we had to show the Sri Lankans how to dance kuliki takata. You know what I mean? Latinas have to represent. Always. It was a fun day. It was a fun night. Date 8 coming up.